Chhapar or Tal Chhapar is located in the Churu district of northwestern Rajasthan in the Shekhawati region of Tehsil Sujanga. It is 210 kilometers from Jaipur and about 132 kilometers from Bikaner. The nearest railway station is Chhappar, which lies on Degana-Chururavari broad gauge line of Northern Western Railways. The Tal Chhapar Sanctuary is located on the fringe of the Great Indian Desert. Tal Chhapar nestles a unique refuge of the most elegant antelope encountered in India, the black buck. Tal Chhapar Sanctuary, with almost flat tract and interspersed shallow, low-lying areas, has open grassland with scattered acacia and prosopis trees which give it an appearance of a typical savanna of Africa. The word Tal means plain land. The rain water flows through shallow, low-lying areas and collect in the small seasonal water ponds. Tal Chhapar grassland was a shooting reserve of the Maharaja of Bikaner. No one except the Maharaja and his guests were allowed to shoot blackbuck, demoiselle cranes and bar-headed geese. The last crane was shot in 1962 when the area was declared as wildlife conservation area by the state government. Declared a sanctuary in 1962, the Tal Chhapar Wildlife Sanctuary is a vast, semi-arid grassland interspersed with very sparse vegetation. As the name Tal suggests, it is an open, flat land with a depression, which used to get inundated during good rainfall years. However, after the blockage of water channels in the Gopalpura Hills and establishment of salt works, the water regime has changed and Tal Chhapar does not get as much water as it used to. The landscape has several depressions that fill up with water during the monsoon and turn into watering holes for the animals. The dominant species of trees in Tal Chhapar are a khejdi, ber and khair. It also has a variety of grasses and sedges, the most important sedge being Cyperus rotundus. This grass is called motia locally. The word motia comes from the word moti or pearl. The shape of the seed of this grass is like very fine round shaped pearls. Motia has a very sweet taste. People enjoy eating it, but it is found in very small quantities. Production is only a few kilograms every season. Motia is also food for blackbucks and birds which dig it from the earth with their stalks. Among mammals, the most famous is of course the black buck. Nearly 2,500 of these are present. The other major mammals are the golden jackal, Indian fox, red fox, jungle cat, and desert hare. The sanctuary lies on the passageway of many migratory birds, such as harriers. These birds pass through this area during September. Birds commonly seen in the sanctuary are harriers, eastern imperial eagle, tawny eagle, short-toed eagle, sparrow, and little green bee-eaters, black-bearded ibis and demoiselle cranes, which stay till March. Skylarks, crested larks, ring doves, and brown doves are seen throughout the year. Chinkara, wild boar, nilgai can also be spotted along with typical avifauna such as partridge and sand grouse. The brackish soil of the sanctuary also supports salt-loving small bushes and grasses. The geology of the zone is obscured by the wind-blown overburden. Some small hillocks and exposed rocks of slate and quartzite are found in the western side of the sanctuary. Area between hillocks and the sanctuary constitutes the watershed area of the sanctuary. Tal Chhappar Sanctuary comes alive with the chirping of various migratory birds including Montagu's harrier, marsh harrier, pale harrier, imperial eagle, tawny eagle, short-toed eagle, sparrowhawk, skylark, crested lark, blue jay, southern grey shrike, Indian spotted creeper, green bee-eaters. By winter the grasses shed seeds and become golden in color. There are not many areas left in India where one can see thousands of migratory larks flying like an undulating wave over the golden grass that provides them with unlimited seeds. Unlike the beauty of a black francolin calling from a mound or a ladder eating a spiny-tailed lizard, waving flocks of larks cannot be captured in a camera properly, but it is a sight to behold. While covering Tal Chhappar, one must venture into other spots like Gaushala, where one can see birds of prey looking for spiny-tailed lizards, which come out at noon to warm up and birds seeks an opportunity. Since this place is also a dumping ground of animal carcasses, scavenging birds can easily be seen looking for an easy meal. Some of the raptures found here were Egyptian vultures, Montagu's harrier, lesser kestrel, common kestrel, white-eyed buzzard, imperial eagle, steppe eagle, lager falcon, sparrowhawk, European hobby, long-legged buzzard, black-winged kite, black-eared kite, tawny eagle. There is a forest rest house within the Tal Chhapar sanctuary. Previously, the rest house was allowed for commercial purpose of fooding and lodging of visitors. Currently, it is not used for commercial purpose. Presently, Tal Chhapar is one of the best managed sanctuaries in Rajasthan. A grassland area of 900 hectares is fenced and completely free of grazing or other disturbances. The growth of social media and the craze of photography have now made Tal Chhapar a popular destination for wildlife enthusiasts and photographers. Jaswantgarh is a small town in Nagaur district of Rajasthan, situated about 210 km from Jaipur and around 35 km from Salasar. It is situated between Ladnu and Sujangarh, 20 km from Tal Chhapar. It has great landscape. This place is famous for greater flamingos and demoiselle crane. Visitors coming over Tal Chhapar also come to this place, though it is not a very well-known destination to bird watchers. The vast area of deserted land with huge water body make the place extremely unique. The demoiselle crane lives in a variety of different environments, including desert areas and numerous types of grasslands, which are often within a few hundred meters of streams or lakes. However, when nesting, they prefer patchy areas of vegetation, which is tall enough to conceal them and their nests, yet short enough to allow them look out for predators whilst incubating their eggs. चूरू वन मंडल में जसवंतगढ़ वन क्षेत्र ऐसा स्थान है जहां ग्रेटर फ्लेमिंगो सर्वाधिक संख्या में देखे जाते हैं। ये पक्षी अफ्रीका, भारतीय उपमहाद्वीप, मध्य एशिया तथा दक्षिण यूरोप में पाया जाता है। इसका वैज्ञानिक नाम फिनिकोप्टेरस रोजियस है। यह अपने विशेष शारीरिक बनावट के कारण बड़े खूबसूरत दिखाई देते हैं। लंबी गर्दन, लाल टांगे व लंबी चोंच वाले इस खूबसूरत पक्षी को राजहंस भी कहा जाता है। ग्रेटर फ्लेमिंगो एक टांग पर 3 से 4 घंटे तक खड़ा रह सकता है। इसी मुद्रा में यह नींद भी ले सकता है। ग्रेटर फ्लेमिंगो की एक टांग पर खड़े रहना व फूड शेयर करने की अदा के साथ लाल टांगे व लाल चोंच से अटखेलियां पक्षी प्रेमियों एवं ग्रामीणों को लुभा रही है। यह पक्षी सामान्यतः नमकीन पानी क्षेत्रों में जैसे सांभर झील आदि में पाया जाता है। वर्तमान समय में इनके जीवन को सबसे ज्यादा खतरे का कारण है इनके आवास का विनाश व नम भूमि की लगातार होती कमी। अत्यंत मोहक से दिखने वाले परिंदे सर्दियों के समय ताल छापर अभयारण्य के आसपास जसवंतगढ़ वन क्षेत्र की तालाबों में हर साल लौटते हैं। वन विभाग द्वारा भी इन परिंदों की सुरक्षा के लिए विशेष एहतियात बरती जा रही है।